Well, this is what it looks like out our front door here. If I can get it open, you can see about how much we got here on the ground. Come up the door, looks like about 6, 7, 8 inches maybe there. Snow's coming down. I haven't even been out here yet. I hear a snow blower out there somewhere in the background. Everything's pretty much still just snowed in. A couple people, it looks like, have been out and tried to shovel. I don't know how much luck they're having. I see a guy down the street with a snow blower. Maybe I can zoom in on him. It's about as good as I can get it. But let's go around to the back of the house. Here's our lovely porch. Needs a little work. Say hi, Teddy. Say hi, Teddy. You like the snow? You like the snow, Troiky? Huh? You like the snow? Say hi, Troik. Say hi, baby. There's Grammy reading her paper. Okay, so we're going to take it out back. Marking through the kitchen here, through the breezeway, out the mud porch. As you can see, the windows are frosted up pretty good. Open the back door here. And this is our lovely backyard. Wow, look at that. Whew, man. And I just shoveled this. I mean, it's hard to see. But I just shoveled this, maybe half an hour ago, and it's already filled in. The snow's just blowing everywhere. I'd say we've, I don't know. It's probably got a good, by the looks of it, 18 inches so far. Neighborhood. Kind of pan around here. Reporting from Norristown, Randy Simmons.